Welcome everyone. I'm going to try to be excited as I can be because I ordered this part for the Supra in May and it is the end of September. All the way from Japan, aim gain, rear wing, the FRP for the A90 Supra. And without wasting any more time, I'm going to open this thing up and share it with you. I'm so excited about getting this part. I've ordered so many pieces that have come in and put on the car. And I know it's going to be amazing looking on the car. Well, anyways, the whole point of this video of the unboxing of the wing is I really want to get everybody's opinion if I should get this painted in like a factory matching gloss black, or if I should do a factory matching like flat black like all the lower panels are in the car. Now I understand that, you know, all the lower panels are flat black and maybe this should match, but it's also bringing it up high and everything's glossy, and you know, so I'm kind of leaning towards painting it gloss black and clear coat and well, having it done. So yeah, I know it's going to make a mess opening it, but I just got to see this thing. I know it's going to put peanuts everywhere. Oh yeah, let's just make a mess. It's too late now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to get the broom and I'm actually not sure what that would be. Maybe it's some, oh, the inside mounting bracket for it. All right. Now, these come, like I said, I ordered in May. It's been a long time coming. I've seen a few people get them since I've got mine. And I want to do a shout out to the place I got it from. I got it from Modern Japan, which is a U.S. distributor, and I think they're out of Canada, but they ship a lot of stuff to the United States. In May, when I bought the car, they said they would have this in stock by the end of May, and that didn't happen, and it kept on not happening. Basically, no fault of their own. COVID really messed up all this type of stuff. So now there's been a few people that have gotten this wing since then, like I said, so I knew it was going to arrive white, like it is here. Now, I'll probably put this video together and edit this out, but if I don't, you can watch me do this the whole time. Let's step over these peanuts to get my knife. All right, there it is. Primered white. You can see all the molding lines. It barely needs any finishing on it. This thing looks great. So, without any further waiting, let's just... I'm going to be very careful. So it looks like it's going to take a little tape to hold this from flipping backwards. So let me get some tape. I don't want to risk scratching up the top of the Supra. All right, now I don't have it perfectly centered and it's just taped down, so let's see if I can get a couple different angles on it here in my little garage. Now I also can't decide if I want to leave that rear add-on lip, the flat one, from the Max Order kit, which is flat black. So if I left that one and put this one on, I definitely want this one to be flat also to match. So I have lots of choices to make here. I want to see those lines. It's really, oh man, it's absolutely amazing, guys. I love it so much. Well, so now I do, it is tilted back a little, so I need to be flared up a little bit more. Now I do have it forward up to the line at the bottom of the glass. So I do have it forward all the way. You can see how much further it goes back than the trunk line here. Now the only thing I could do is if I got rid of the Maxorta stick-on lip here, is I could place this back a little further this way, and that would look good too. I would center it up on the trunk lid, basically, on the yellow part. So, a lot of decisions to be made. I honestly don't know. I mean, I love it, but for me, it's a lot. It's more flashier than I'm used to, but look at this from behind. That thing looks pretty good, even with the Maxorta lip on there. The Maxorta and the Aim Game go well together. Well, I'll look at the comments. I'll be doing some commenting back and forth. I'll snap some pictures and get it on a few of the forum groups and see what everybody's opinion is. I love the shape of it. It is a lot. It really is a lot of wing. That's kind of neat. But I do have it centered pretty well. So we're just eyeballing it on there. I think I'll shoot a little more video footage of this in the morning when I can get the Mazda out of the way here, and so I can get this shot a little bit better. Worth the wait, worth the wait. Now to decide. Whew. All right, well, thanks for watching the unboxing of the Aim Game Supra wing that I've waited since May to get, and now it's the end of September. Hopefully on and painted by October. But that's what it takes this time of, with the COVID and just things coming from Japan. So I appreciate everybody watching. I'll put this video together and get it up and listen to what everybody has to say. Thank you for checking it out. Hopefully there's some neat comments. Bye.